Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Shop, and in this video I'm gonna talk about electric kettle, how you can build it and how you can assemble it. Now the winter is come and this electric kettle will boil the water in just 1 minute. So if you have an electric kettle, then you should must watch this video, because in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can assemble an electric kettle and how you can open it so you can repair it. So as you can see, I removed the lid and I also removed the wires from the controller. So I do it quickly with the use of instruments. So remove the wires gently. Do not try hard on the wires, because if you try to remove it hard, it would maybe break. So remove it gently, and after that remove the controller and also dismantle the handle. Now you have to remove the switch. Then remove the wires. As you can see, there are two screws up there, so simply open it. And there is a last one at down, so you must have to remove it. Now time for the base. As you can see, there are 3 screws, so you must have to remove these screws, and you can find the controller also here. There are 3 wires, you just have to remove it. As you can see, we dismantle the electric kettle and remove every single piece of this, as you see in this video. So now time for its assembling. As you can see, this is the heating plate, lies below the kettle. This round circle is the heating plate. Now these are the parts of handle. As you can see, this is the cover of the handle, and this is the base part, and it is also the base part of kettle, and this is the lid, and these two small things are controller, which is the main part of this electric kettle. These are male and females, and now it's the switch case, and this is the switch, and last one, this is the cable. And also I forget, these are the screws which we use to assemble it. So now let's start the assembly. This is the kettle part and this is the handle part. We just have to fix it using these screws. There is one screw lies below, and there are 2 screws which fit in upper part. For fit this, you have this plastic case which you use to place inside the kettle, and then we use it to screw it. So as you can see, I place inside this, and now I take the handle over this and put these screws. Tight the screws harder so it won't remove gently, and also the one screw fitted lies below. There is no plastic case, you just have to screw it. Now this is the switch. You must have to place it at right and screw it tightly because it is the on off switch of the kettle. If you turn it on, it boil the water. If you turn it off, it do not boil the water. It is now it's time for placing the controller. As you can see, there are 3 points where you can put the wires. So just place it and tight it using the screws. Now take the wire and put it into the switch and take it at the bottom and put it into the controller. As you can see, just like this. Now take the another one, put it into the switch and take it down to the. This time you don't have to put it into the controller. You have to put it in the coil as I put it. As you can see, there are 2 white wires. You must have to put it into the. You have to put one into the coil and one into the controller. And place this last one in the controller. Remember the coiling. And now let's take back again. You have to put this one wire into the controller, another in the coil. This wire go to the switch and come back in the coil. And there are 2 wires which are connected to each other, and these are the indicator bulb. So place it and make sure that the wire don't touch the lid of the kettle. If it touch, it might be burned. As you can see, I close the lid tight the lid using the screws. Tight it. Now it's time for the handle case, so we must put it, but before you have to put the switch handle. Before you have to put the switch case as shown. Place it on the switch and put the cover on this, and then tight it using the screw. Now you must have to put the lid on the top. As you can see, there are two holes given. You just have to press it on the lid. You just have to press it on the handle and it will completely install. Now our electric kettle is ready. But this lid comes open, so please tight it hard and make sure this lid won't buffer. Now take for the base. You just have to put these wires. There is one positive, negative and another one is neutral. So you put neutral in the middle and left side you put negative and right side must have to put the red wire, as you can see in the video. Place the female controller inside the case tightly and make the wires are perfect. After that, place the back panel on the lid and tight it using the screws. Our electric kettle assembly is completely finished. So if you enjoy the video, please hit the like button. Now if you want to check this is work or not, so let's take it. As you can see, the bulb is glow. For checking this, as you can see the bulb glow because the switch is on. If you turn it off, you can see the bulb won't glow. It means our electric kettle is completely assembled and there are no defects. As you can see the bulb will glow. If you enjoy our video, please hit the like button and also click on the subscribe button for latest videos. And if you are interested in electric kettles video, please subscribe our channel because we are uploading many videos on this topic soon. So we will meet again in another video. Now thanks for watching our video.